How to collaborate on Instagram. That's what I'm gonna teach you in today's video. So the first we need to go and check our Instagram app if it's been updated to the last version. And as you can see, we checked here, there's no need to update the app. So we click open and jump to the app itself here and open our profile. As you can see, in the method, it's the same method of posting any post. So we click on the plus button here. We can do this with post or reels. So I'm gonna click on post here and I would choose any post of these. So for example, if I click on this one and I got this post here, I'm gonna click on next. In here, I'm gonna click on next once again. In here, we need to tag someone. So I'm gonna click on tag people. And here we got add tag or invite collaborators. So we click on invite collaborators here, this option. And now once we're here, we're gonna search for any account or any user. So if we search, for example, for this one here, for example, we click on it, and that's how we got a collaborator. And then we're gonna click on this button, and here we got a collaborator. And then we're gonna click on share. And once we click on share, the other side will receive a notification from our end that we like to have collaboration. They must accept that, and that's how we can collaborate anyone on Instagram. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.